Hello everyone! Are you wondering how to help cats get along with each other? Let's explore! Cats are known for their independent nature, but with the right approach, multiple cats can coexist peacefully in the same household. Whether you're introducing a new cat to your existing furry family or trying to improve the relationship between resident cats, there are several strategies you can employ to encourage harmony and minimize conflict. First and foremost, it's essential to introduce cats gradually and in a controlled manner. This can help prevent territorial disputes and reduce the likelihood of aggressive behavior. Start by keeping the new cat in a separate room with all the necessities, such as food, water, litter box, and bedding. Allow the cats to sniff each other under the door and gradually swap bedding or toys to familiarize them with each other's scents. Once the cats are comfortable with each other's presence, you can begin supervised interactions in a neutral territory, such as a spacious room or a secure outdoor enclosure. Use positive reinforcement, such as treats and praise, to reward calm and friendly behavior, and be prepared to intervene if tensions escalate. It's also crucial to provide an enriched environment with plenty of resources for each cat, including separate food and water bowls, litter boxes, and resting areas. This can help prevent competition and reduce the likelihood of conflicts over essential resources. Additionally, consider the individual personalities and preferences of each cat when managing their interactions. Some cats may be more outgoing and social, while others may prefer solitude and independence. Respect their boundaries and provide opportunities for both group activities and solo time as needed. Regular play sessions and environmental enrichment can also help alleviate boredom and reduce stress, which can contribute to conflicts between cats. Interactive toys, scratching posts, and vertical spaces, such as cat trees or shelves, can provide outlets for natural behaviors and help cats burn off excess energy in a positive way. Finally, be patient and consistent in your efforts to foster positive relationships between cats. Building trust and rapport takes time, so don't be discouraged if progress is slow. With patience, understanding, and a proactive approach, you can help your cats develop strong bonds and live harmoniously together. In summary, helping cats get along with each other requires patience, understanding, and proactive management. By introducing cats gradually, providing plenty of resources, and promoting positive interactions, you can create a harmonious multi-cat household where all felines can thrive. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.